So guys, on today's DIY, I'll be making Banga Pulp. So I received a lot of palm kernel seeds from the village, and I thought I should, instead of leaving it like that to spoil, I want to make Banga Pulp out of it. I'll start by washing the palm kernel seeds thoroughly. I have to wash it 3 times because these palm kernel seeds, I don't know what I've gone through before getting to me. So I made sure I washed it very well before proceeding to boiling the palm kernel seeds. I boiled for 20 minutes until the palm kernel becomes very tender, and then I transferred to my mortar and pound them until the pulp separates from the kernel. So next is to separate the pulp from the seeds. So you guys, you have to wear gloves to do this, or you can have your nanny or your domestic staff do it for you. So here now I've separated the seeds from the pulp itself. And you guys, this seed, I'm not going to throw it away. You guys know that everything that comes from the palm, they are very useful. So I'm going to set these seeds aside, and yeah, we'll be munching on it as snacks. So next thing is to now put them in a Ziploc bag. So here now I'm dividing them into a Ziploc bag. Yeah, so I was able to get like from 6 to 7 bags. So from here now I'll transfer them to my freezer, and that is where they will be until when I want to use them. You guys, as it is now, you can use this to make your banga stew, your soups. Like you can use it to make ora soup, bitter leaf soup, and and so on and so forth. So when I want to use it, I'll just bring out the quantity I need, pour hot water on it, and extract the juice. And that is all. So if you're the type that don't like using the banga concentrate that comes in a tin, you like to go all natural, this DIY is for you.